Welcome to Nantong Dongqing Machinery, a professional food equipment manufacturer with over 20 years of experience. Dongqing provides professional food equipment solutions for wholesalers, distributors, restaurants, and bakeries worldwide. With a 15,000 square meter factory, 50 production lines, and 100 skilled employees, Dongqing has earned 56 industry awards. Quality control starts from raw materials, ensuring stable performance from the beginning. Advanced machining equipment ensures precision and reliability of every component. Experienced technicians complete precise assembly for every machine. Today, we introduce Dongqing's 10-liter dough mixer designed for small and medium overseas baking scenarios. The flathead fixed structure ensures stable and durable performance ideal for fixed workstation use. The 10-liter food-grade stainless steel bowl handles up to 8 kilograms of dough per batch, ideal for pizza shops, bakeries, and home kitchens. Equipped with a 750 WU pure copper motor with dual speed adjustment, perfect for both soft dough and hard European dough. The kneaded dough has uniform gluten structure, ensuring stable fermentation and better baking results. The control panel is simple and intuitive, even beginners can operate it easily. The metal body structure is CE certified and meets international hygiene standards, perfect for pizza shops, bakeries, home kitchens, and small baking studios. If you are looking for a stable, efficient, and durable compact dough mixer, Dongqing's 10-liter mixer is your ideal choice. Dongqing, not just a supplier, but your reliable business partner.